Yeah, hi, good morning. Can you hear me? One can hear me now, right? So we'll just discuss about this components of Selenium. Selenium is not a single tool, it is a combination of the different components. The first component is like Selenium ID. The second component is like Selenium IST. The third component is like the Selenium WebDriver. And the fourth component is like Selenium. So the Selenium ID and RC are outdated, deprecated. Nowadays, no one can use it. So here, moving on to this, the Selenium WebDriver. So people are call it as like Selenium or Selenium WebDriver or WebDriver, all are same. Okay, and we will focusing on this, the Selenium grid. Now we have to understand this, the Selenium WebDriver. So the WebDriver is an interface implemented in Java. So the Selenium WebDriver is an interface implemented in Java. So with the help of this, we can automate the test cases by using this the Selenium WebDriver. The WebDriver is an interface implemented in Java. It is going to be directly interact with the applications. So basically, so we have an application. We just write a program to retrieve the data from the database. Directly, we cannot interact with the database previously. So now, so here we are going to be first. We need to interact with this the RC server, and later on the RC is going to be giving the request to the database. Then the database is going to be give the reply to the RC, and now the RC is going to be giving back to the reply for the program. That means we just write a program. Every time we have this RC server is there, so this is a data. Some records will be there. If you want to retrieve it, this is the process previously. Now they are overcome it. I no need to depend on this ERC server like that. I no need to run it before running the program. First, we need to start this RC like that. Now, to avoid that, so our intention is what? So I don't want to depend on this server. Directly, I need to interact with the database. Now, with the help of this Selenium WebDriver interface, we can directly interact with the databases. Okay. Next. So WebDriver is an interface implemented in Java. So with the help of this, directly we can interact with the application. Then whatever this automation is required, we'll do it. Next, in order to work with this, the Selenium WebDriver, so we need to configure our mission. So what we have to do it. So we need to configure our mission. So that is the meaning of configuring the WebDriver. So here, so in order to configure this, the WebDriver in our mission, so first of all, we have to install this the Java in our computer. So Java should be installed in our computer. And I already said that everyone should connect the session with the laptop, okay, on a daily basis. I will provide the assignments and I have to check with this on the assignments on the daily basis. So here, everyone should install this Java in your computer. So before installing it, so we need to confirm that whether the Java is going to be available in our system or not. So how to check it? Okay. Yes. So open your C drive, go to the program files option, and here we'll get an option called Java folder. Okay. There we will get that the Java. The another one is like this. So open the command prompt, and here we have to simply search for this Java space hyphen version. See, whatever the Java it is going to be installed in your mission, that version is going to be displayed here. So Java is not recognized with that. I am not installed the Java in my mission like this. Fine. So we have to install this the Java in our mission. So the Java which version we need to install it, the Java 1.8 version. So we have to install in our mission. Okay. So I will share the files to you by tomorrow, and I will explain how to install the Java and everything. So once the Java is installed, next we need to download the Eclipse ID. So it is an environment where we can work with the Java as well as the Selenium. Okay. So it is very simple and easy to download it. So just we have to open this. Okay. Simply click on this. I click download. Or you can do this at Eclipse marks to download. Just click on this Eclipse ID and marks to packages. There is no theory here, okay? Everything will be like the tool configurations and navigation part, and we need to write some code. So here, see, this is the present version of this the Eclipse ID for 2022-09. The months will be like that. Okay. If you want to download it, simply we have to click on download. Next. See the previous versions if you want to see the older versions. These are the previous versions. So you can go with the older versions. See, these are the versions like Eclipse Neon, Eclipse Mars, Eclipse Oxygen, Eclipse Photon. So you can use any one of the version to work with the WebDriver and the Java programs. So simply we have to click on this. The file will be downloaded in zip file. Okay, so you have to download it. Or here we will have a direct link for Eclipse ID for Java Enterprise Developers. We have to know this, the Windows operating system, so like 32-bit or 64-bit. Whichever the operating system you have to download it. So 64 or 32. So how can we come to know this? Just right click on My PC, go to Properties, go with this PC, go to Properties, then you will come to know that which version of your operating system. This is like 32-bit or 64-bit. So mine is like 64-bit. So we can simply download this. So these are the two things we need to perform it initially in order to work with the Selenium. So first one is we have to download this, the Java and install it. And coming to the Eclipse, we no need to install it. Simply we are downloading that. So once we are downloading it, the file will be downloaded in GIF format. You can simply extract it. So once we are extracted, that will be available. So we get a folder like that. Open the folder. There we will have this executable file. So eclipse.exe. Yes, we need to open it. In order to run this, we have to provide this eclipse.exe. Simply we need to double click on it. So this file is corrupted. I will open it. So the another one. So this is the Eclipse ID for Enterprise Edition Java and web developers. We just open it. So in order to open this run the Eclipse, first of all we need to install the Java in our computer. So without Java it is not going to be opening it. And for the latest versions, so no need to install the Java like that. Okay. So here the first thing is once we are launching this Eclipse, what it is going to be asking it, select a directory as the workspace. So what is mean by workspace here basically? The general meaning of the workspace. The workspace is nothing but the location where we need to store the automation scripts in our computer. So like we will have the photos, right, where I need to store my photos. So in C drive or D drive, so I'll create one folder there where I need to store my photos, okay, or my files. Same like that here also, whatever we are writing a program like Java, Selenium programs, where we have to store in our computer. See, so I have D drive and I have E drive, suppose. I want to store my files in E drive. I'm creating a new folder. I'm providing over here. And like this. In this folder, I want to store my programs. So here we'll have an option here like browse option. Just click on browse, go to E drive, then select your folder location. See, in this folder, I have to store my scripts. Simply we are clicking on the launch. So here, what we are going to be perform, that is a major thing. We need to follow it. First, we are installing the Java. Then we are going to be downloading the Eclipse, extract the Eclipse, and run the exe file. Here we are providing what the workspace we are going to be provided. That is the first thing we need to perform it. So anyone is having any queries, you can ask. Okay. So it's launching it now. See, the Eclipse is going to be open.
Sir, good morning, sir.
Yeah, hi.
Hi, sir. Good morning, sir. I'm Kiran. Sir, actually, already I have downloaded the Java file. Previous. The version is JD. 18.0 like that.
No worries. Okay, I'll explain how to work with that. Okay.
Yeah, okay, sir.
So tomorrow we'll see that. I'll inform one by one and I will check at the configuration part like that. So once we're going to
Yeah, sir.
be opening this, the Eclipse, here we need to enter into the environment. So how we will enter into this environment? So we are simply just clicking on this, the welcome, right? There is a close symbol. We have to close it. So here now it is enter into this, the Eclipse environment. Okay. So here we need to understand this. Basically, so the Eclipse is having this. There are three parts here, the major things we need to understand it. So one is this, the Project Explorer area. Okay. Then the another one is like the Java editor. So here we are maintaining this, the project structure or the folder structure. In the interview, they will ask that explain about your project folder structure. Anyone is fine. Then this is like a Java editor. Here we can write Java as well as Selenium. That will support multiple applications, this Eclipse ID, but our intention is focusing on this Selenium and Java. And here there is one more section is there. Like this is like the console part. Okay, the meaning of console is nothing but so the results, right, the output we are able to see here. So this is about that the three parts of this Eclipse where we are focusing on mainly. One is being the project structure, nothing but the folder structure and the Java editor. And here we have to know that the console or the output. Next. So in order to write the Java, yes, someone is in unmuted, please be unmute. So yes, please be unmute. So here if you want to write the Java program or the Selenium program, here we have to first, yeah, Surya, just please be mute. So in order to write the Java programs and the Selenium program, first of all, we need to create a project here. So where we are going to be creating a project in the project explorer area section, or you can directly go to file, select an option like new. We'll have to select this. So the project option, there we are selecting this, the Java project, and simply click on next. So here we have to provide this, the project name. So whatever the project name it is. Suppose here I am dealing with the RNHRM or the stock accounting or any application. Just we have to provide the name of the project and simply click on finish. So select the don't create option. So it is asked to create a module and just click on open perspective. See, this is that the project is created. By default, it is having two subfolders. So till now, sorry, we just created a workspace. And then we have to create the project. So that is the main important thing. You need to follow this. Here we are creating a project. So coming to this project, the project having this two subfolders. One is the SRC, the another one is like JRE. So the SRC, the full form is like what? Source code. So here we are going to be writing this, the Java, the Selenium programs or the code. The source code we are going to be write the programs. Coming to the JRE, the full form is what? Java Runtime Environment. So the Java runtime environment consists of some library files. So consists of the library files. So these library files, so these are help to run the Java program. So these library files are going to be help to run the Java program. So without JRE, we cannot run the Java programs. So this is a major thing you need to understand this. So here the project is consist of SRC and JRE libraries. The SRC is nothing but the source code. There we are writing the Java Selenium code, and the JRE is nothing but the Java runtime environment. It consists of some library files. These files are help to run the Java program. That is the main thing. So just now we discussed about that where we are writing the code. In the source we are going to be writing the code. Okay. So before going to be write the code, we need to define that a package. Okay. So generally what is mean by a package? So why we can go for a package? What is the general meaning of the package? So did you heard about that, right? Whenever we are purchasing any product like that on a package, this much of amount we are going to be reduce it right that. So basically a package is just like a collection or a group. Okay. So why we are going to be creating the packages? So coming to this Selenium or the Java, a package is nothing but a group of classes or collection of classes. We are going to be call it as a package. A group of classes is representing as a package. So basically, so for example, in our application, there are three modules will be there like A, B, or C. For module A, we have 1000 test cases. For module B, we have 2000 test cases. For module C, we have 4000 test cases. So I need to automate these test cases. So I automated these 1000. Okay. And I have to define these in a package, one separate package for these 1000 test cases. I automated these 200. I need to define one separate package for these 2000 test cases. If you go like that, right, then we can differentiate easily. So these many programs related to so and so, these many programs related to that. So for example, here I said that we'll have to learn Java and we have to learn Selenium. So what are the Java programs and what are the Selenium programs? If you want to differentiate it, we need to create a package, one package for the Java and one package for the Selenium. Like that, we need to differentiate it. So what is the syntax for creation of a package? Everything will be based on the syntaxes. You need to follow it from the beginning. I already said that there is no theory for this. Okay. So first we have to maintain this domain name followed by this the project name, then the purpose. What is the purpose? We are going to be creating this package to understand it. So basically the domain names like .com or .in or .net. These are the domains. So if you're opening any website, right, gmail.com, so amazon.com, amazon.in, so amazon.net, like that. These are the domains we are using it. So com means like a commercial domain, like that. So how we are going to be creating a package in this project now, we need to understand it. So you need to follow this structure. Okay. First we are creating a project. So another project, we will have this what the source code src. In the src we are going to be creating a package. So in order to create a package, just right click on the source, go to new package. Now here we are defining the package. So form dot the project name followed by the purpose, right? I just define that Java. Just click on finish. See here. So this is the package. Whatever the Java programs we can write under this package. So here definition wise, a package is nothing but a group of classes or a collection of classes is going to be represented as a package. Next, we need to focus on this class. What is meant by a class in Java? Okay, so here we have to understand this. So basically, so let us consider a small example. Whenever we are constructing any house, we will have a blueprint like this. Now coming to this class, the outer line is going to be representing as a class. So here a class is nothing but a template or it is a blueprint. Template or blueprint. Fine. So it is a template or blueprint. So it is going to be having this variables and method. Okay. So a class is a template or a blueprint. It is having these variables and methods. So if you want to access these variables and methods directly, it is not possible. With the help of this object reference, we are going to be accessing this, the variables and methods. So object is nothing but any real-time entity that is having this, the state and behavior. So pen is an object, chair is an object. So in terms of this Java, object is nothing but instance of a class. So basically now we have to understand this. What is the syntax for defining this, the object? The syntax is like class name followed by object reference. With the help of this new keyword, new is a keyword, all are in lowercase letters. So we are going to be having this. So this is the syntax for creation of an object. This is also called it as a constructor. Later we will discuss about that. The constructor. Now with the help of this object reference, we can access this, the variables, and we can access this, the methods. Okay. So here we will see this by tomorrow. Okay. Now, as of now, I'll create one sample class. Just try to understand it. Right click on this package, go for a new class. So here we have to define the class name. Always the class name should start with the capital letter and it won't start with the number. If you're giving like that, it will throw an error and it won't contain any spaces. It won't contain the special characters. So these are the rules we need to follow it. And it has the main method public static void main. Just click on finish. So basically this is the syntax of a single Java class or a program. This is like single line comment. The comments are used for our understanding purpose. It won't execute anything. So this is about that. Now here, this is a main method. The purpose of this main method is going to be drive the entire code is going to be drive the main method. We'll see later about it. The first program I'm going to be writing it here. I need to print some data in the console. So in order to print here in the Java, we are using this system.out.println. So here, whatever the data we are printing in the double quotes in the string format, we have to print it. So welcome to Selenium. This is the code I'm just writing it and we have to go with the save option. So save it and we have a run option here. So just run this the Java application. See, it is going to be printed in the console. So we have to understand this one as well. So how this the code is going to be executed, the Java code. So here The first thing is the execution will start from the main method and it will enter into this system.out.println. The system is like an inbuilt class in the Java and out is an output stream. Println is a method, whatever it is there in this, that is double quotes, it is going to be printed in the console. So this is about that. So the execution will start from here and it is going to be printed in the console. So here it is going to be printed this, the output, welcome to Selenium, like that. So like this, we can work with the number of Java programs. Okay. So if you want to create one more program, see, I am going to be creating that. Right click on the package, go for a new class. Here we are going to be see that the addition test, like that. We are going to be writing a program for addition of two numbers. Just click on the main method, public static void main. So in order to perform this addition, right, here we have to declare two variables. One is like int a equals to 5 and b equals to 6. I need to perform this. The sum will be like a plus b, the addition of two numbers. Again, the sum will be like in the data type of int. The sum. If you want to print anything, here we are using this system.out.println. So the sum value I need to print it. It will allow any data type as well. So save and execute it. See the results like 5 and 6 will be like 15. So the program execution will be start from the main method and it will be perform the addition. The sum value it is printed in the console. So save and execute it. So like this, we are going to be working with the number of Java programs. You can write any program related to the Java. Up to here, do you have any queries? You can ask. Tomorrow we'll see this, the complete definition about a class, variables, methods, how we will create an object, how to access this, variables and methods. So the first thing you need to understand this, we have to install this, the Java in our computer. Then once we installed it, we need to download the Eclipse. Finally, we have to work with this. Provide the workspace, then create a project. In the project, we have source code. The source code, we are creating a package. In the package, we are going to be creating the classes. This is a structure. Everyone should follow it while we need to work with the WebDriver. So till now we are discussing about only the Java things. Tomorrow we'll see this and we will go with the WebDriver as well. How we will configure the Selenium WebDriver, how to work with the WebDriver like that. So everyone should follow this on the daily basis and you need to complete it, the assignments. If you have any queries, so please ask the queries. Anything related to the Selenium Java. So I will take care of the Java. I will explain the Java with an examples. So you no need to worry about it. So you have to try to prepare this, follow this, try to install the Java in your machine today. Download the Eclipse and try to implement the structure. If you have any queries, tomorrow I will go through you, each and every person. I will do this installation part. You no need to worry about it. So, any queries from your end? I'm stopping here today. Tomorrow we'll discuss it.
Hello,
Hello.
sir.
Yeah, fine. Yeah, go ahead.
Hello. Sir, please could you repeat what is the package?
Package is just like a collection. A group of classes is going to be representing as a package. So in order to differentiate one to other, like some Java programs, I just define in one package. Some Selenium programs, if it is there, I will go with define another one. See, right click on this source, go for a new package. I'm defining it from dot orange hrm dot selenium. What is the purpose? You are defining a package in order to deal with the Selenium programs. So whatever the programs related to Selenium, I will create here. Go for a new class. See, each class is representing one test case here. There is like admin login for any program, admin login test. We just write that and it is having a main method. See, here we have to write a program for admin login, how to do the automation. So one class is representing one test case in this. So there are multiple packages. One package is representing to work with the Java. One package is representing with the dealing with the Selenium. That is the purpose of the package. In order to differentiate one to other, we are defining that packages. Yes, any queries?
Sir, hello, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Good
Yeah,
morning, sir.
very good
How
morning.
many days of duration course, sir?
Duration will be like 30 hours.
30 hours. Means 30 days.
Yes, 30 days. So we have daily 1 hour session.
Hello, sir.
Voice is breaking, okay. Please ping in the chat if you have any queries, or you can ask if your voice is audible. You
Sir,
can,
what,
yeah,
sir, what is the syllabus copy, sir? I am asking syllabus.
yeah, I have this. I will share with you the syllabus copy. So you can contact that. They will share with you the syllabus copy, okay. So here I will send this. So the day wise, we are going to be segregating these topics and we will discuss it. So this is the Selenium course content. This is what we are discussing by tomorrow. So day wise, we'll discuss like that. Okay. So they already shared the numbers in the group chat, right? If you are needed anything, you can contact them. They will share this all the details. Okay.
Okay. Hello, sir.
Yeah. Hi.
Sir, real-time project is covered in this course or not?
Yeah, real-time project only we are discussing it. So this
Uh,
our training is mainly focusing on the real-time project.
okay, sir. And
Framework.
interview preparations is held or not?
Yeah, everything right. That's what I said that in interview they are asking it right. What are the questions they're asking it? Everything I will discuss on a daily basis. I'm
Okay,
giving
sir.
some
Thank you.
right. You need to do that. This like an interview questions only. I'm giving on the assignment.
Okay, sir.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Hi.
I am Venu, sir. This is first class, sir. Any problem, sir?
No, no, no. This is also your first class only.
In Selenium testing, you can also complete the manual testing, sir.
No, it is like Selenium only, not manual.
Okay, sir.
You can complete the Selenium. Later you can join with the manual.
Yeah, hello sir.
When
Good
did
morning.
start the Selenium, sir?
Selenium will start from today onwards. Okay.
Regular batch, sir.
No, this is a regular batch only. Daily will have the session from 7 a.m. Tomorrow also will have the class. So
Okay,
daily
sir.
will continue the session. Yeah, hi.
Good starting. So, are you going to send daily basis recorded sessions?
Yeah, you are getting everything right. I'll show you this.
Actually, this is the first class for me. So, last two classes I did
So
not attend.
daily you will get the recordings. Yeah, once you can approach the numbers right. They chatted in the group right. You have the number. Just collect the number and go and ask them. They will share this, the course content, the recording sessions on the daily basis. Okay. So from tomorrow the link will be changing it. Okay. So you have to register with this. Then only you will get the link and you will get the recording sessions, the materials, and on the daily basis the assignments and the programs which are asking mostly in interview questions. So you will get it. So here we are mainly focusing on this real-time training only, not like a theory basis. I already said that it's not a real theory. It is completely related to the practical part. That's what I said that everyone should connect with the laptop the daily basis. If we have any queries while you are practicing it, you can show me the errors where you are getting it and we will discuss, we will clarify it. No theory in this Selenium. Everyone should do that from your own hands, okay? The assignments and everything you have to complete it on the daily basis. So once you are completing this, you can put around 5 years of experience. That much of stuff we are going to be delivering to you people. So you can place that one. So mainly we are focusing on this, the framework and how we will do this, the automation of a process from starting to ending, how it is going to be look like that. So we are going to be learning here. So we'll discuss about the project with the framework. You will get the materials, recordings, whatever the documents you are following it, everything you will receive it. Fine.
Thank you, sir.
So here we will focusing on the Java as well. You no need to worry about it. on the core Java. So tomorrow also I'll repeat this, what is meant by a class, now what is meant by a variable, method, the object. Then we will move that one by one.
Hello, sir. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Sir, actually, I am not in completely in not this background, but I want to switch. So I have 5 year experience regarding that automobile section. So is it helpful to me?
No, and get you. Can you come again?
Sorry,
Can you come again one?
sir. Actually, I need to. Sir, actually, I am not complete in that background. That means I am
Okay.
not in the IT background. I
Okay.
have done my BTech with mechanical engineering. So it is
Okay.
already I have engaged also in I have 5 year experience in automobile section. So it can be helpful to my future if I have learned that.
No, automobile is different and automation is different. Okay.
Okay, okay. Yeah, sir.
Automobile, you are part of this, the what, like
Sir,
the missions, right?
I want
You
to
are,
switch, sir. That's why if I am switch,
yeah, that's what I'm saying. That the automobile career is not related to this automation testing. You can switch it, okay, but this cannot be help over there for your automobile. You got my point?
so for a beginner it can be helpful, sir.
Yeah,
Then
yeah,
need to
that's
some
what
other course.
you need to learn the Selenium and you can apply for it and you can get a job in the automation sector. But this automation experience is not helpful for your mechanical career. That's what I'm saying it.
Okay, sir, that's not very, but I want to switch in IT sector. So if for a as I am a beginner, so it can be helpful or not? I just want to confirm.
Yeah, it will be helpful. Okay. You need to put some experience and you
Okay, sir.
have to search for the job. So you
Thank
can make 3 years, 4 years, the fake experience and you can search for the job.
you. Okay, sir. Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, after completion of the course, we can supporting the Selenium software
What does mean by support in the Selenium software?
in job, sir.
Job support.
Yes, sir.
How can we support the job, man? You have learning here, right? That's what we are explaining to do that job by your own hands. You can practice from the beginning, right? You no need required any support. So because here we are discussing a real-time project and real-time scenarios. You no need to depend on any person. That's what we are giving in the training. Okay. If
Okay,
you
sir.
have still any queries, you can send. I will give our mail ID. You can post your queries. We'll clarify it. So don't worry on that. So that's what I said that from the day one onwards, you have to do the practice. Then if you do that, you no need to depend on anyone going forward. If you learn everything right, why we are depending on this the person? So in this training, we are going to be covering that one. So the framework implementation from scratch. You are the person only going to be implementing the frameworks, writing the frameworks, executing the code, everything. I'm giving the instructions here. You need to perform from your end. Everything should do by yourself, not by me. Okay. Then only you will learn everything. Fine.
Hello.
Yeah. Hi.
Hi, sir. Good morning.
Good morning.
Sir, will you explain the basics of the seleniums, like in the
Yeah.
upcoming classes? like
Yeah,
how to use the ID, RC, and
yeah, IDRC is deprecated. That is not required. The WebDriver, we are focusing on it.
okay.
Everything right from the basics only, we are discussing about it. If I
Mhm.
start at the middle of the thing, right, how you will understand it. That's what I started from the basics, how to start with this, where is like project, where we are creating a project, what is mean by a project, what is mean by source, where we are writing the source code. That's what I explain all these things from the basics only, right? Say this is a structure, we are describing it from the beginning. Everything only from the basics. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Any queries? Fine. I'm stopping here today. We'll meet by tomorrow. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.